guys, it's me Cammy Crafts on Instagram from the TPS design team, and today I have a project share for you using the March Planner Society kits. So what I did using the kits was I set up my Hobonichi weeks. I made some stuff for it, as well as I set up my A6 rings, and this time it's a pretty simple setup. So I'm just going to walk you through what I made using the kits. Okay, so first I have this little sticker pocket using the papers as well as the glitter edges. So I showed this during the TPS crop. So what I did was I used 2 pieces of papers and I laminated it, decorated, and then stick the glitter edge and slit it open and stuck a pocket on top. So I have like 2 pockets here. So this, I can store my favorite Samantha May stickers. So these little pockets are really handy for on-the-go sticker storage. Oops. And if you like, you can also use this in your ring planners. You can just punch a hole and it will just fit right in. Yeah, so that's the first thing, and then next is my Hobonichi weeks. This is just a cover from Hobonichi, and I use my TN elastics to secure the whole book together, and so that I can use my Daisy Key charm. So inside the cover I have a slip of paper from TPS. It was a January kit from 2 years ago. So the first thing I did was I created a little washi front page or washi dashboard for my Hobonichi. So I used the March washi tapes together with some matching tapes from Simply Gilded, and I also put a little Simply Gilded bunny over here, and I love how it turned out. I love the color so much. Okay, so moving on, because I only got my Hobonichi weeks in March, so I used the previous pages as like notes pages. So what I did was I cut down this sticky notes. This one, I just cut the sides and I stuck it down to cover the dates, and then I used the washi tapes to decorate. And then this is from Happy Planner sticker book. Then I want to show you like the spread I created using the Sticker Society kit and the box sticker kit. So these are from the box sticker kit, and then the little headers are from the Sticker Society. So I used the sticky notes here as like a little notes section, and then the washi tapes on the borders as well as some Simply Gilded. And these little checklists are from Samantha May sticks. So I love how it turned out. Okay, and then moving on to this page marker using the March kit. I cut down the paper to size, I put on the topper, and then decorated this with a doily, some scrap paper, and a die cut, and then after that a vellum pocket at the back. Then I laminated the whole thing and then put on the sticker as well as the glitter bow. So here I have a small pocket for stickers, like the short stickers. I love vellum pockets because I like being able to see through what's inside the pocket, and I think that's really cute. And then I also have like a pencil board using the paper, and I stuck down the acetate. If you can see like the black acetate with silver foil at the back, I stuck it down and you can see the glue. So I think maybe no need for glue, just laminate the whole thing without glue because my glue shows up, but it's okay. So this is a pencil board, and another sticker pocket. This is a vellum sticker pocket. It's sized to fit the Hobonichi, and it has the glitter edges at the side, so when I close the book you can see the glitter edges. So I thought that was pretty cute. So what I did was I laminated the vellum. I cut down the paper to size, folded it in half, and then laminated it, then decorated, and then stuck the glitter scallop edges. If you need a tutorial, I will be happy to film one for you. So because this is pretty narrow, I only stuck in like the sampler stickers that I have inside here. Yep, so that is all the stuff that I created from my Hobonichi weeks. Oh, and then there's one more, this little house that I shared during the crop. So in the front is the vellum house die cut. So in front I have my Hobo Weeks kits from Samantha May Sticks, and then Ashley's to-do list. So I just stuck them down in here. And on the back I have a vellum pocket with the glitter scallop edger. So I just have some washi samples and this little note, post-it notes, not really post-its, but you know, because they're not sticky. But I made this using the January digitals. So these are just handy for in case I need a notes page. Yep, so this, I wouldn't put everything into my Hobo Weeks because it gets really bulky and heavy. So these are great for like on-the-go sticker storage. Yep, so those are the things I made for my Hobo Weeks. Then now I'm going to share with you my A6 rings. This is from TPS, and I used this year's March kit as well as last year's March kit because I thought that it matches perfectly. So on the front I have this acetate with January's embroidery fabric patch. Then I have this really cute simple dashboard. This typewriter is from last year's March kit. So this was a die cut. So what I did was I cut down the paper to size. I have like a vellum piece here, and then this is a backing from one of the packaging, and I put a doily, the die cut, and then the word sticker, and then I put like 4 enamel dots as well as the glitter scallop edge on top. So I kept my setup really simple this time, like not too extravagant and not too bulky. So I just have some like goals in front. So this is the other acetate that came in the kit, and I'm not sure if I should use the black side, but I really like the silver side, so I'm using this as the front. And I made another pocket. These papers are from last year's kit, and they have the same swans and the same like pastel colors. So here it's just like a pocket for stickers with like doily punch edge. And another doily. If you can tell, I really love doilies and I love adding like texture in my setups. And then another bow on top, and the back page is plain. So this is my inbox. Just use this insert from AnniePlans as my inbox. So this one's using this year's March kit. Again, the paper scallop edger, doily, and then there's a bit of vellum here if you can see. Then like a scrap piece of paper behind, and then the house die cut as well as the house puffy sticker. So I like that it creates a different texture. Then this free sticker is from December kit, and then I have some enamel dots in pink and blue. At the back I just have like a Polaroid of me and my boyfriend, and then this is just a printable from Pinterest. Then I love adding this little like envelope pockets in my planner. So this is what it looks like. In here I have some of my favorite stickers from My Little Puffy and also paperies. Then I just secure the envelope flap with a paper clip. here I have the adhesive pocket with January's washi tapes in here, and this is also from January. I love this weekly planner, so this is my this week's like me at a glance, and it's not very nice handwriting, but it's functional and I love it. Okay, so this is May's inserts. It's the May kit collab with AnniePlansPrintables. So I just printed them and I can't wait to use them. I'm intending to use this as a timed column. So they come with like blank pages as well as some pages with the May elements. Super cute. I love it. I love the vibe that it gives. So there's quite a few of them, and I love this cover of the paper. I can't wait to receive my May kit. Okay, and then here I have another vellum sticker pocket. I told you I love these, so this is the same as this. It's just that this is sized to fit A6 rings, and I am also obsessed with the scallop edges. So this pocket fits a lot of stickers, if you can see. I have the May Sticker Society kit in here, 5 sheets, as well as my favorite stickers from Toffee Bananas. And I love using vellum because I can see through what's inside the pocket. So this is using the beautiful swan vellum. And at the back I just have this the smaller sticky notes at the back. And this is another notes pages from AnniePlans. Another TPS acetate. I think this was from October or September, I can't remember. Okay, and this was using last year's March kit, the die cut and the papers. So this is just a beautiful card and it's like flowers and all. It just says love and then finding happiness. And here I have the bigger bowl adhesive pocket. I just stuck it sideways because they wouldn't fit this A6 rings. So I have the same like little notes that I created using January digitals, and I like that it's easily accessible. And this is from last year's March kit as well, the swan gem sticker and the acetate. So this is my list insert. This vellum is from last year's March. This is from this year, like my notes divider. I just used the doily at the back, the quote card, and then I popped the swan up on like foam dots, and then I used a few like puffy stickers, another sticker and some washi here, and the bow on top. And of course the scallop edger. So at the back I have the adhesive pocket with some stickers. And this is also from AnniePlans. It was a TPS collab, so it's just some like notes pages. I decorated with some washi tape and yep. Then I also punched some of my sticky notes that fit the A6 rings. And last but not least, I have the specialty laser cut paper at the back just to create some like a backing for like my inserts, just in case they get bent. And this also creates like some visual texture, and I love how it looks. So yes, that is my A6 rings. Please feel free to ask any questions down below and I will reply you as soon as possible. I hope that you had some ideas from my project share, and if you need a tutorial for any of these projects, please leave them down below as well, and then I will be sure to film you one. Alright, that's it from me. I hope you have a great week ahead. Thank you and bye!